Want to turn your creativity into a career? The graphic design course at Kalapurnam Institute is your journey to becoming a design pro. With 20 plus years of experience and over 3,520 successful students, Kalapurnam Institute has been shaping talented designers for over 2 decades. Trusted by 1,350 plus placement companies. Master industry standard tools from photo editing and making vector illustrations to logo creation, branding and digital art. Learn it all with real-world projects. Kalapurnam Institute offers 1,350 plus placement companies where your design skills will be in demand. Get ready for a successful career in the design industry. It's not just about learning software. It's about creativity, innovation and problem solving. Our hands-on workshops will make you a confident designer. Ready to start your design journey? Book a free demo class now and join the graphic design course at Kalapurnam Institute.